before the video starts, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.
All right, Colson, what are we gonna go do? Are we gonna maybe go try to find a train?
Yeah.
All right, let's go find one. All right, there's a train coming. Colson's blocking his ears so it's not too loud. Here it comes. Looks like a Kansas City Southern. There it is. Cover your ears. Cool, huh? What are you doing? Here comes the end. Keep watching. There it goes. What did you say? You say you want to see more? All right, let's see what other trains come. Are we waiting for another train?
Yeah.
Was the first one loud?
Yeah.
Say I cover my ears because it's a loud train and I don't know if I like it yet. But you like the rest of the train, right? Yeah, you do. All right, see you soon. Here it comes, Colson. You're okay. Okay, go over there and throw it. Go do it. Oh. Threw it at the train. Okay, cool. Oh, there's one over there. Over there. Bye-bye. What? You think there's more trains coming? Were you throwing stuff at that train? Yeah, you're gonna throw that at it?
Yeah.
Are you gonna save it for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye, YouTube.
Bye, too.